Hey guys, I am back again, this time with a makeup tutorial. I'm most definitely not a makeup artist. I'm just someone who really enjoys painting my face. So I'm just basically going to quickly go through my everyday makeup routine, which is just this. It's nothing too difficult at all. It's a hell of a lot of highlight. That's basically what the whole, basically just what it is. It's just, if you just cover your face in highlight, you look like me, that's it, you're done. Good to go. Good to go. Without further ado, we will get straight into it. I've already cleansed and I've prepped my face ready for makeup, moisturised and everything and all that. So first I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I believe that I'm in... It's 210, so I'm 210. I'm going to take my dampened, disgusting beauty blender. I'm going to buy another one today, so excuse me. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. Does anyone else who has any form of pet, whenever they do makeup, did they get it like stuck in the foundation? Because it's so tickly. Like the whole day, I'm just like, because there's a bloody, oh my god. So next, I'm going to go in with my, it's a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It is number 20. Oh, there you go. 20 is close enough, isn't it? And conceal all of the madness. I just go under my eyes and then I go down the centre of my nose and just on top of my forehead a little bit. It would be really nice if I didn't have a box room and I had like room for a desk in front of me, so I wasn't just having everything on my lap, but hey ho, just deal with it. So I use the butt of my little sponge to do my foundation, and then I use like the little pointy bit to do like under my eyes. So now I'm going to take my Insta Fix and Matte powder and my little, I have a little like brush from Eco Tools. Sorry, I've just already put it on, that's why it's already white. I don't really know what it's called, it's just from a set, but just like any little poofy powder brush thing will do. I don't really know what I'm doing, so just guess, you'll be fine. I powder my chin, around my top lip, around the sides of my nose. Raja, oh my god, honestly, they are on one today. Also just do my forehead just because I get pretty damn shiny. Next, I'm going to take my angled blusher brush. There we go, and my MAC Give Me Sun. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's 100% my favourite bronzer everywhere. It is orange, but I like being orange, so what can you do? Just, how nice is that compared to this side? Like, isn't it just the nicest bronzer ever? And like, I don't even care if I wear too much because it's just so amazing. And I need a lot on my forehead because I've got a big forehead. So, gonna cover that forehead up. Go under my jaw. And then the other side. next I'm going to take my Real Techniques, it's a little, this brush, little brush, blusher brush. And, oh, this is so cute. So this is my little, I got it from Wilko. It's just a little blush. You can tell that it is well loved. It's like a really cute, peachy, corally pink colour. I should really get a new blush, but I am very lazy. Again, I don't even care if I wear too much blush because there is no such thing as being too much. Cool. So the next bit is my highlight, which is my favourite part of the day. Highlight gives me life. It's just, I don't know how you can live without it, to be honest. This is the highlight that I'm using at the moment. I fell in love with this highlight. I can't use anything else anymore. It is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlight in Trophy Wife. This probably isn't for everyone, maybe. I like glitter on my face, basically. If I could roll around in glitter, I definitely would. This is a very glittery highlight. I know some people don't like glitter. I am not one of those people. Like, please, can we just... Ugh. It's so gorgeous. And I'm going to take, for my highlight, if I can find it, it's this brush with a lot of cat hair on it. I think it's an eyeshadow brush. It's from Clinique, but it's from like literally years ago. Everything's like rubbed off, but I think it's an eyeshadow brush, but I use it for my highlight because what sort of eyeshadow am I going to get with this? Anyway. Oh, first I'm going to spray my face with, it used to be the Rose Water facial spray. It's now just water because I'm too lazy to go buy a new one. This spray! Oh my... I am at mouth height for this spray. So I spray half a face at a time, and then I go completely crazy with the highlight. But can we just... Isn't it gorgeous? So I like to do my highlight in a C shape around my eye, so I'll go across here and then under my eyebrow and then and that's how I'll do it. That's just how I do it. I have nothing to say about that. I do put quite a bit on. That's just how I am. You can't dull my sparkle. So, but I also put it on the top of my nose here on the tip and then just down middle. I know it is quite a lot, but I am quite a lot. That's just who I am. And I like it very in your face. Like if you can't see it, I'm not happy. And that's fine. If you don't want as much highlight as this, that's completely fine. But this is how I like it. So this is how I'm gonna do it. So I also went just above my brows there on my temple, and then just I have to move this piercing out of the way, and then just your Cupid's bow. And then when I'm satisfied that you can see me in space and that I'm blinding everyone, there we go. That's enough of the highlight. Now I will move on to my brows. Oh, this is embarrassing. It's the little, you know, the little Rimmel eye pencil. It's now this big, but it's just any brow pencil. I ain't fussed. I mean, as long as it looks decent from afar, I'm not really that fussed, you know what I mean? No one's coming up that close to me. That will do. I'm just going to quickly cut my brow a little bit, just underneath. I don't bother with the top. I don't have like Instagram eyebrows or anything. I just like them a bit neater, just at the bottom. So that are my brows finished. Now I'm just going to go ahead and move on to my eyes. So I'll zoom you in for that one. Oh, that's as much zoom as we're going to get. But do you know what? We don't need any more. Why would you want to get any closer to my face? Fab, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this little fluffy blending brush. It's from Lily England. I think it's just a set I got off Amazon. But just going to take that fluffy brush, and I'm using today the Modern Renaissance palette. This is my go-to palette. I got this when I was in America in the summer. I haven't stopped using it. It's amazing. And then I'm going to take this burnt orange shade here. There you go, that one, burnt orange. And go ahead and put that in my crease. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do one at a time just because I can't bother to get both on camera. Just this little, I guess it'd be like an eyebrow brush. Just a little slanty thin brush. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of like a little wing, but like a little wing with eyeshadow. So I'll do my wing first, and then I'll drag it down to the bottom. And sort of blend it out a little bit. Like so. There you go. And then I'll just join it to the top with tiny little strokes. To be honest, I have hooded lids, so eyeshadow is a bit of a struggle for me. It's something that I always try and like get better at, but let's just say it's never been my strongest forte. But that's all we're going to do for the eyeshadow. I'm going to come back when I've got the other eye done. Yay! That's both eyes on. I've already put my lashes on just because I assumed that you didn't need to see me for 5 minutes trying to mess with some lashes. I don't bother with mascara just because my lashes are basically invisible. Also, I realised I forgot to show you what shade that I used for the darker eyeshadow, so it was just a Cypress Umber here. Just this one there. Fab! So that is all of my face done. And now we'll move on to lips. So my go-to lip combo at the moment would be the MAC lip pencil in Spice. There you go, just in Spice there. I'm just going to go ahead and outline my lips. So now my lips are lined, I'm going to go ahead with a lipstick. So I have to go with the Spice lip pencil, my favourite duo, I have the Snob. So this is a MAC lipstick in Snob. It is the, I don't know, it's not the matte one, is it like velvet? I don't know, but anyway, Snob. So that's what this is, so we'll just put that on. I concentrate my lipstick just in the middle of my lips, just because it is lighter than Spice, and I just think that it makes my lips look bigger. This is the final look. I've come back, dried my hair, straightened it, and this is it. So if you enjoyed this video, even though I am not definitely not a makeup artist. If you want to go ahead and subscribe, that would be amazing. But other than that, I'll see you next time. See you next time.